I like to use marigolds as universal placeholders while I'm still figuring out the rest of what I want to do with my garden. This section that is beside my muscadines tends to have some runoff. So I just let the marigolds seed while I figured out what I was going to do. Now we've decided that we're going to make a path to come down on this side and also an area for the dogs to come through. So I'm going to be taking all of these marigolds up, and then I'll show you what I'm doing with the refuge. So going to need to clear this marigolds off of the side anyway, because my muscadines are getting ready to harvest. I still want to leave some marigolds though, because they're such a great companion plant and prevent insects. So we'll leave a few until it's ready to totally harvest the muscadines.